Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good everything. Welcome to Tesla's Wild. My name is Colin. I hope y'all are having a great day. If you're new to the channel, I'm so glad you found us. I hope you enjoy what you see here and I hope you stick around for future videos. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for your support. It truly means the world to me. One quick reminder, there is a comment pinned below with timestamps so you can hop through the video and view the portions most relevant to you. I released the first episode of Tesla YouTuber News yesterday, and the outpouring of support on this video was phenomenal. Everybody seemed to love it, and I absolutely loved making it. So thank you guys for letting me know that you did enjoy it. I think we're going to make this a regular series on this channel. I'm going to try and release an episode of this every single day, time permitting, as well as new Tesla content permitting. This shouldn't be a problem considering how many new channels there are and channels there are in general. We're going to try and cover channels little to big and just cover everything out there to give you sort of a summary of everything that exists for that day. We're going to try and cover videos that have only been released in the past couple days because as we know, not every channel releases as often. So yeah, we're going to start making Tesla YouTuber News a regular series on this channel. So yeah, if this sounds interesting to you, make sure you stay tuned and we'll get started with episode 2 of Tesla YouTuber News. All right, so we have 5 different channels today from the first episode we went over yesterday. So let's dig in right away here. I think I've got a couple that you may or may not have heard of. So the first is I1 Tesla. I'm sure all of you have heard of Brian by now. I1 Tesla is an awesome channel. It's been growing like crazy. I think he's up to 28,000 subscribers, and he is one of the more unique channels that does practical Model 3 and Model S content for YouTube. He does a lot of really cool things and goes over reviews and product installs and comes up with custom solutions like the auto open frunk and stuff like that. He just released a video about a gift bag for a new Model 3 owner. It just seems like it's a video out of the kindness of his heart. Somebody he knows or a new Model 3 owner, he bought them a gift bag of awesome Tesla Model 3 accessories from a really great vendor called Abstract Ocean. Abstract Ocean is an awesome site. They sell some really great Tesla Model 3 accessories and other Tesla accessories. Definitely check them out, but this was a really cool video because it was kind of a different way to present a variety of must-do accessories for the Model 3, like a screen protector and a couple other things. I'm not going to say everything in the video, but it was really cool to see, and the new Model 3 owner seems super grateful for what Brian did. So that is an awesome, awesome thing. It's a really cool video. Definitely check it out. Link to the channel and video is in the description. The next channel I'd like to go over, and I hope I pronounce this right, is Björn Nyland. This is a pretty big channel. I think he's somewhere around 146,000 subscribers, and it makes sense why when you watch his videos. He has some really cool, unique content about Tesla. He is very prone to pushing the limits and seeing what his Teslas can take, like his Model X. In his most recent videos, he took his Model 3 out on the German Autobahn, and it is a super cool video. The most recent one is like 50 minutes long. It's insanely long. However, what he does in this video is does a full point of view from the windshield of the Model 3 on the German Autobahn. So it shows some really cool scenery, and he gets his Model 3 up to 262 kilometers per hour. For us in the US, that is 162 miles per hour. He is hitting the electronically limited speed of his Model 3, and it has to be a performance, right? It has to be to get the 162 miles per hour. Pretty darn cool to see. You're not going to see much content like that out there, so I would definitely recommend going and checking out this video. As I said, it's super long, but it is on the German Autobahn, and it's pretty cool to see a Model 3 doing those sort of speeds. The next channel I'd like to go over is a channel called DragTimes. This is a channel I've been watching for a long time, and it is not exclusively Tesla content. However, more and more Tesla content has been working its way onto the channel. The owner of this channel is an avid Tesla fan. He has had basically every version of the Model S Performance that has ever existed, and now his most recent is a P100D. So he does some really cool videos with the P100D. However, his most recent video is a garage update. He ended up getting a brand new Tesla Model 3 Performance in white. I absolutely love the white. It's gorgeous. What this video ends up being is a pretty solid, comprehensive view of the Tesla Model 3 Performance, and he goes over the new software with the Beach Buggy Racing, which everybody's doing right now, but is pretty cool to see on his channel, and it gets me really excited about the future. He does some really cool drag racing content, hence the name DragTimes. He's got a McLaren 720S that he's pushed the limits on and has broken records. So him having a Model 3 performance means really exciting things for the Tesla racing world. Definitely go check this video out, check his channel out. He's got a lot of really cool things coming. The link to the channel and the video are in the description. The next channel that I'd like to go over is a channel called Tesla Racing Channel. The name implies exactly what happens on this channel. His videos are what inspired me to do racing videos on my channel, drag racing and autocross. This video is primarily drag racing, but what he has is a Tesla Model S P100D and that he has pushed the limits on. He has stripped this car down and does some incredible weight-saving actions on this vehicle and has gotten this vehicle to run some insane times on the drag strip. He actually stopped uploading videos for a while, which was pretty sad because his channel was awesome. It was first of its kind, and he did some really, really cool content on that channel. He did just start uploading videos again, and his most recent one is a drag race between his Tesla Model S P100D versus a fully built Mustang racing car. He has his girlfriend drive the P100D and he drives the Mustang racing car. It is awesome to see how well this P100D does. I'm not going to give everything away, but I think the P100D still remains supreme. Such an awesome car. He's a very talented racer, and it's some really cool, unique Tesla content that you should definitely check out. Link is in the description below. Check it out. The last channel that I'd like to go over today is a channel called CarsAndKyle. This is a smaller channel that I've been watching quite a bit lately. He does more of a vlogging style, but what he has is a Model S P85. He just vlogs about his daily activities and kind of what it's like to own a CPO Tesla, a certified pre-owned. So it's some interesting content because a lot of these people that are YouTubing for Tesla all have brand new vehicles or maybe some like test-driven vehicles, you know, but he does a lot of unique perspectives on certified pre-owned, and he's had quite the nightmare experience with his P85 lately. His center touchscreen is freaked out, and in his most recent video he goes over the troubles that he's had in his center touchscreen, and it gets dropped off at the service center again. He has a really good, unique way of presenting his information. His vlogs are really fun and enjoyable to watch. I would definitely check it out, especially his most recent videos, so you can see kind of a problem that his CPO Tesla P85 has. So check that out. CarsAndKyle, a really great YouTube Tesla vlogging channel. Link is in the description below. The last thing that I like to go over is my own channel, Tesla's Wild, or Life is Wild. Who knows what it's called anymore. So I officially changed my channel for the last time on like March 23rd of 2019. It's now June 25th, 2019. So apparently YouTube bans you from changing your name for 90 days. However, we're just past that and I still can't change my name, but we have to be close. We have to be so close. So hopefully we can change the name to Tesla's Wild super soon and we can avoid all of this confusion once and for all. Lastly, tomorrow is Wednesday. Actually, when I'm uploading this video is Wednesday, which means that it is Test and Tune Wednesday at Bandamere, which means another day at the drag strip. So be aware of a video coming up on Thursday for some new drag times. Hoping we can break into the 11.5s. I got a few things that I think I can do differently, and hopefully we can make that happen and get this Model 3 performance down to one of the lowest times seen for this vehicle. Alright, so there we have it. There's episode 2 of Tesla YouTuber News. I hope you guys enjoy this sort of stuff. I really enjoy making it because it allows me to do what I enjoy the most, which is watching Tesla content on YouTube and talking to you all about it. It's what inspired me to make my channel. So there's a lot of really great YouTubers out there making Tesla content, and I just want to bring exposure to all of them and kind of summarize everything that's out there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like and subscribe button down below. Stay tuned for these videos. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. It does truly mean the world to me. As always, I've got a lot of new content coming your way, so make sure you stay tuned, and we will see you next video.